How to set up parental control with a Wavlink router. Taking 531x2 as a demonstration. Step 1. Connect the Wi-Fi. Connect to your Wavlink router via Wi-Fi or Ethernet cable. Step 2. Cost settings. Open a browser on your PC. Enter http://wifi.wavlink.com in the search box. Log into the web management page of the Wi-Fi. Enter the password of Wi-Fi management interface. Note, not the Wi-Fi password. The initial password is admin. Go Setup. Then Cost Settings. Push the button. You can create one or more speed limit groups according to your needs. Check Enabled. Click Save. Then go back. Step 3. Client List. Enter the password of Wi-Fi management interface again. Go Setup. Then Client List. You can choose any connected devices. In the Cost Settings option, select the speed limit option that has been set. Select Custom in the Internet Block Setting option. Enter the URL you want block access to in the URL filter field. In the Block Time option, check the Internet time. Note, if you plan to set the limit time from one day to the next, you'd better divide it into 2 periods. For example, from Monday 10 p.m. to Tuesday 6 a.m. You should select 2200 to 2359 in the Monday option and 0000 to 6 o'clock in the Tuesday field. Click Save. Now, parental control has been finished. If you have any problems, please contact our technical support.